Hey, I'm Jay Thomas with Rod, and it is the big day. Kind of a wet start this morning.
Yep.
It was raining a little bit. The roads are still kind of a little bit damp.
A little busier than what I thought for being the weather, though.
It is. You know what we figured? This is the only indoor car show going on right now. So, hey, it is Show and Shine weekend around Saskatoon, and our big show is on right now. We thought we'd take you through what's going on here so you got a reason to come down. We want to show you what's happening, but we still want you to come down. We're open till, 3 o'clock today with the show?
4-ish.
4-ish, that kind of thing. Follow us. We're going to show you what's happening here at Rod's Hot Rods today for this special day. We're calling this the 3rd anniversary.
It's actually the 4th, though. We did some math on this.
It's the 4th?
Yeah, so boo-boo.
No, it's not the 4th.
Yeah, Shaq was here 3 times from Rock 102.
Okay.
Anyway, so it's a 4th. But
it's
anyway,
an anniversary.
It's an anniversary.
And it's our grand open house. Come on out. So as you can see, we got the band is setting up. The Tone Cruisers are here behind us. We've got We All Need a Rescue. Great, they rescue dogs, right? Like that's what they're all about, is pets. So they're putting on the barbecue. The barbecue's already going. The burgers are already going.
Can't wait to have them. Oh.
Exactly. Scaring Rod. They're doing their sound
band's
check.
getting warmed up.
As you can see out here, we got parking along both sides. We've got cars in here already. And we'll show her where else you can park. Come on down.
Look at this slick ride.
Yeah, look at this slick ride.
Holy.
Mater's here.
Haven't had the Mater out too much this year.
No, you really haven't. So anyways, we had a great club show up. These guys are from...
It's the Western Canada Camaro Club. So they're from all over the place.
Yeah?
And they're doing a tour.
We got
So they all rolled in together.
12 Camaros here today, which is cool.
Yeah.
They all came together.
And they're all driving
Yep.
in the weather, which is cool.
Look at that one. It actually got a little bit dirty.
Yeah. And they're from all over. Look at the license plates. See that license plate on that orange one? Joe Dirt. Can't believe we got that. See the license plate? It says Joe Dirt.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Really? That's awesome. Back here in the back lot, obviously more parking going on. So we got a bit of a show and shine happening, kind of come and go. There's a few people come in their daily drivers. Some people bringing their classic cars out.
The cruisers were just here from PA.
Yeah, they were.
They had a whole lineup.
They had a whole lineup from PA, that's right. On the other side of the lot, we've got more parking going on over there. Some of the Camaro Club that just showed up is out there.
We also have our other shop open across the street too.
We do, yeah. So we can definitely show you where that is as well. Now, we talked about this next car we want to show you in the video. We talked about it in our last video this week. We really didn't get to see it. I thought we'd just give you a little sneak peek. We want you to come down and check it out in person. Come check it out. What do you think, Rod? Top 3 of the cars you ever owned?
It's at least top 3.
69 F100.
F100, yeah.
Ranger. And it's every nut and bolt. Every nut and bolt.
This is like how do you say the
Concourse.
Yeah,
Concourse restoration.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. Like every piece of trim is absolutely flawless. Look at even the screws and the bolts and the plate, and every piece is just probably better than factory, honestly.
It's over restored, yeah.
It's over restored.
Well, we'll go over this one next week.
We totally will. We'll have a better look at it next week.
This is definitely the start of the show today, though.
Follow us this way.
Other than me, but. And yeah, of course.
Another couple great things going on in here, and we'll take you down this way, is that we've got two groups side by side here we want to highlight. So obviously right in front of us, the big dragster. This is the Reid Holland racing team, and they're here with their sponsored vehicle. As you can see, Rod's is right down there. We're one of the title sponsors for this. So Ray was just here, the racing team is here. You can kind of meet part of the racing team, check out this cool car. Right behind it is a 2005 Thunderbird, the very last edition of that car. And NASHI is a fantastic charity that they do work in the Ukraine, preventing young girls and women from getting into the trafficking industry. So they've got safe houses that they build over there. You can buy tickets for that right here today.
When are they drawing for this?
They're going to be drawing in October, it's on the date, October 16th, right here at our dealership. They're just going to come back one more time. So, of course, you can see tickets kind of all over the place. You might see them downtown at Show and Shine tomorrow as well, but you can come on by and get your tickets for that thing as well. Let's go at the front here, Rod, and we'll kind of just poke our heads and show you where the alley shop is.
Good idea.
This guy's got some white walls on it now. That's a new addition.
And it's got a sign on the window.
I know, I cannot believe that's already like on hold. Is it on hold or is it sold?
Well, it's deals there. Just gotta, I think it's already open.
All right.
Where's your other shop at?
Just down there actually, guys. That's exactly what we're gonna show you. So as we come out the front, you can see our blue cart truck there with the green cart on the back of it. And where those
There's people walking there, you
people
just
are
go down
walking.
the alley. It's right there.
Yeah, exactly. Alley shop's just down that way. So we've got a band firing up right away. We got a barbecue going on. We've got a great charity car to enter to win. We've got our race car here. Lots of people coming and going. It's a come and go car show. Hope to see you down here today. Hopefully the weather holds.
Yeah, it's looking not
It rained. It looks like the road's starting to dry out now. Bring out your classic car. Even bring out your daily driver. Just come say hi and be part of the action here for Show
Watch
and
the
Shine
band. The
weekend.
band's incredible.
Band's gonna be great. They're phenomenal stuff. They're gonna be playing right away here at 11 till about 2 in the afternoon. So lots of time to get down.
Right on.
Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you next time on Hot Rod Hangout.